Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update runs smoothly. Open Settings and check the current iOS build. This tells you whether Safari updates with the OS. Back up to iCloud or Finder. Once done, you can revert if something goes wrong. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery or is charging. Updates often require power. Then go to Settings, choose General, and tap Software Update to fetch any available iOS updates that include Safari improvements. Once the update is visible, tap Download and Install to begin retrieving the iOS package. Enter your passcode when prompted. While it downloads, monitor storage. Delete large unused apps or clear photos if space stalls the download. After download completes, you can tap Install Now to start the upgrade immediately, or choose Install Tonight to let the phone update while you sleep. During installation, the screen will go black and restart. Remain patient, since the process can take 10–30 minutes depending on size. After installation, your iPhone will reboot and finalize updates. Open Safari and test key features to confirm the update applied. If Safari seems unchanged, check settings for version info and clear cache or restart the app. If the update fails, reboot the phone, free storage, and try again on a stable Wi-Fi network. This often fixes download or verify errors. If problems persist, use recovery mode via a computer or contact Apple support for assisted recovery so you don't risk data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.